door. Everything's loose. This is loose. This doesn't seem to be lined up. This is falling apart here. So all this is out of adjustment. So what happens is it's not, see how it's not lining up. So we gotta line these things up, tighten this stuff up. All right, so we fixed this and lined this up properly. Gave it extra heavy duty screws. Got rid of these little screws that weren't holding it in anymore. Now it's nice and tight. This has also been tightened up and aligned. This has been tightened up. So now when you close it, boom. Locks, lines up perfectly. Perfect. No problems. Boom. That's it. It's all lined up and right. Now you can lock it easy. Boom. Perfect. Nice and sturdy. Okay, so the other thing here at Coachman is the towel bar is broke. And what it is they didn't put anchors in there at all. They just drilled it right in, so of course it's going to fall out. So what we're going to do, we're going to give it some proper anchors. Alright. My favorite anchors for this type of thing that gives it a real strong fit is I'll show you here. Hold on. Alright, so we use these right here. These are very good. And then what they do is they go in and then they hit against the drywall and they really seal it up. Hold it in real good. I use this for all of my anchor towel bars and stuff like that. These work great. Alright, so we popped the one in and we'll show you how we pop the other one in. It's actually really simple to do. Hold on. Basically you just go like that and just bring them in. Pop. Just like that. And that's it. And those are anchored in now. Okay. And then what we do is take this and we just drill it right in with the better screws. Okay, and then once that goes in, then that will lock into that there, like that. Alright. So let's make sure we got this where it goes. Okay, so yeah. So yeah. So that's gonna go into there like that, and then it's gonna lock back with the screw. Yes. Alright. Alright, and that's how you do that. Locks it right in. And then what we do is put him in there like that and screw it on in. So let's do that real quick. Make sure that's not locking into place. Alright, so we attach that back on there. It's pretty solid now. It ain't going nowhere. All right, so we got a closer that's loose here and a closer that's missing up here. All right, so we put the new heavy duty closer on there at the top, and I repaired the one down here that had come loose. Tighten that up. So now it functions correctly. So when you push the door open, it doesn't slam, and it brings itself, closes itself automatically like it should. That's how they should work. So that's it. Works perfect.